What's the meaning of affirmative? Affirmative. 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 Affirmative is an adjective that means confirming or agreeing with a statement or request. It is often used in military or official contexts to indicate a positive response to a command or question. In everyday language, it can also be used as a polite way of saying yes. When someone responds with an affirmative, they are indicating agreement or compliance with the request or statement made. Overall, affirmative is a term used to express approval or confirmation of something.